In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Wix. If you want your site to look on brand and consistent, adding your own font is one of the fastest ways to get there. Before we start, make sure you have your font file saved on your computer. Wix supports common formats like TTF, OTF, and WOAF. If your font came in a zip folder, extract it first, and double check that you're allowed to use it on the web according to its license. With your site open in the Wix editor, begin by clicking the text element you want to style. Selecting the text tells the editor exactly where you want your new font to appear, and it brings up the relevant formatting options so you don't have to hunt for them later. Next, click Edit Text. This opens the text settings panel, which is your control center for typography. Here, you'll see options for size, color, spacing, and most importantly, the current font your text is using. Keeping this panel open will make it simple to preview the change as soon as your font is ready. Now, click the current font name. This opens the font picker, where you can browse the fonts already available in your site. If you see your brand font here already, you can select it. If not, we'll upload it so it becomes part of your site's font library for reuse across pages. In the font picker, choose Upload Fonts. This brings up the upload window. A quick tip: if your font has multiple weights or styles, like regular, medium, bold, or italic, each is usually a separate file. Upload the ones you actually plan to use to keep your site lean and fast. Descriptive file names help, especially when you're working with several weights. Click Upload Fonts, then select the font file from your computer. The upload will process and the font will appear in your font list. As soon as it shows up, select it to apply it to the text you chose earlier. You should see the change immediately in the editor. If you uploaded multiple styles, choose the correct weight in the same panel, so headings and body text look intentional and consistent. A few final tips as you wrap up. Stick to 2 or 3 font families across your site for performance and readability. Large, decorative display fonts work best for headings, while clean, readable fonts suit paragraphs. If a font looks too tight or too loose after switching, adjust letter spacing and line height in the same text settings panel for a polished finish. That's it. Click the text, open Edit Text, pick the current font, upload your font, and select it. Your custom typography is now part of your Wix site.